To determine what adjustments to make, you can compare your measurements to the size chart and finished garment measurements on the back of the pattern envelope. Before sewing, you should test your adjustments by tissue fitting your pattern or by making a muslin or test garment. To alter the length of the pattern to fit your height, find the lengthen or shorten here line or lines. These lines are marked by the pattern maker to indicate the best place to make these adjustments without distorting the silhouette of the garment. If there are more than one set of lines, you can make smaller adjustments along all lines or focus on one area depending on where you need the adjustment. To shorten the pattern, use a ruler to mark a line parallel to the lengthen or shorten line. The distance between these lines should be the amount that you want to shorten the pattern by. Now crease the pattern along the lengthen or shorten line and bring it up to meet the line you just drew. Tape it in place and then use a curved ruler to blend the pattern lines if needed. Make sure to shorten all corresponding pattern pieces. To lengthen the pattern, cut along the lengthen and shorten line. On a separate piece of tracing paper, draw a set of parallel lines. The distance between these lines should be the amount you want to lengthen the pattern by. Next, mark a perpendicular line between the parallel lines. This will act as a continuation of the grain line and ensure your pattern halves line up correctly. Tape each half of the pattern on either side of the parallel lines, lining up the grain line, and then blend and connect the pattern lines using a ruler. Make sure to lengthen all corresponding pattern pieces. Another simple pattern adjustment you can make is blending between two sizes. Often, different parts of the body measure different sizes, and blending between the sizes can help achieve a better fit. Typically, you will do these adjustments from bust to waist and waist to hip. To blend from a smaller waist measurement to a larger hip measurement, first locate the waist and hip line on the pattern. If not written on the pattern, the hip and waist are often marked by notches. Then take a hip curve ruler or curved ruler to blend between the two sizes. Use the ruler to achieve a smooth transition. Make sure to make all these adjustments to the back pattern as well, and any other corresponding pattern pieces like waistbands or bodices.